In the Syndeia 3.6 release, Intercax has made some significant changes in how the digital thread is presented to users through the Syndeia plugin and web clients. We would first like to review how Syndeia organizes the digital thread as background to the presentation of individual features in the other videos. The digital thread starts with the individual model repositories, for example, requirements, SysML, and PLM. Engineering models with artifacts, internal relationships, and attributes are stored and managed within each repository. In order to be able to view or edit that data, either directly or via Syndeia, each user must be authorized to access that repository, and that authorization is managed by the repository. Syndeia can be thought of as sitting above those repositories and adding a layer of intermodel relations between artifacts in different repositories. Syndeia partitions those intermodel relations into groups called digital thread projects. Each digital thread project contains one or more intermodel relations that define a specific system model. For example, an automobile model A and an automobile model B would be managed by Syndeia as separate digital thread projects, composed of different intermodel relations, even if some of the artifacts in the underlying repositories may be used by both projects. Syndeia 3.6 introduces access control for digital thread projects, in addition to global access control. Users will not automatically have access to all digital thread projects, as they had in earlier releases. When the user of the Syndeia web dashboard client clicks on the Projects page, only the projects they have permission to view will appear. In video 1.5, we will discuss who can create new projects and add users to existing projects, and how this new approach will affect what data they are allowed to see and edit. The goal, of course, is better data governance and security. Organizations can manage multiple programs on a single Syndeia installation, but individuals can only see the projects they are authorized for. But remember that authorization into individual repositories is a separate issue. You may have permission to view a digital thread project in Syndeia without being able to dig down deeper into the repositories which are integrated into that project. Intercax is committed to supplying the most comprehensive training on digital thread engineering in the industry. Contact us through our online help desk with questions and feedback.